Good day, everybody. We're at the bridge of the River Kwae in Kanchanaburi, Thailand. We have crossed the bridge of the River Kwae and wanted to see the cemetery, so we came here to share that with you as well. Very green. They take very good care of this. It's great pride. This is a great place to come visit if you're ever in the area. It just takes a minute to stop here. It's really close to the town and really close to the bridge over the River Kwae. I would suggest if you're going to come here on a visit, you come early in the morning like this. It's 8 o'clock, 8:15. There's nobody here. It's on a Tuesday. I snuck out and flew the drone. There's the police here, and I don't believe you're supposed to, so there were actually two policemen here. So I just went off to the side and flew it where they didn't see me. And you can't hear it. It's a DJI Mini, very quiet. Morning.
I don't want to see you. I don't want to hear you tonight. I don't want to fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was.
So there's nobody here. Very quiet this time of morning. So I would suggest you try to do that. We were fortunate enough to catch a train crossing yesterday. There's a time schedule here for you to be able to catch it, but we just happened to get lucky and pulled up here and parked and walked up just as the train was about to enter the far end down there. Hey Mike, how you doing? We'll have to come back and see about riding the train. It's kind of late today by the time we got here. It's a ride. think they probably moved me there. Prior to coming here, we went to the war cemetery. That's quite a touching experience. I would suggest you to visit that if you come. It's about 6 kilometers from here. Sorry, but the groundskeepers are here doing their work and I've been trying to stall. This is obviously the prisoners of war from the World War II. It has the plot layout. And a little history about the camp hospitals, and it's beautifully maintained. And very green. They take very good care of this. It's great pride. As you can see, everything is very wet. It's just early morning. They open at 8 o'clock, and we got here as they were opening. This young man. There may be folks that come here and visit family members that are in here. Royal Norfolk Regiment. Poor guy left her widow behind with children. What a feeling being in here. This is a great place to come visit if you're ever in the area. It just takes a minute to stop here. It's really close to the town and really close to the bridge over the River Kwae. Very nice morning. Prisoner of war camp memorial over there on the far side. think I'm gonna walk over to that. We ate dinner last night in this place right over here. This is a restaurant on the River Kwae. It's apparently a raft restaurant. So we're gonna go down and check it out. Okay, we got crab fried rice and lab moo. And coming pretty soon is our shrimp tempura. I'll share that when it gets here. Our shrimp tempura has arrived. Look at that. Okay, our entire meal was 580 baht. Very good. We enjoyed every bit of it. We didn't leave anything. Really good. I'll share that in the video. It's a floating raft, and you can see the party boats and dinner boats, etc. going by. That's one of the party boats. Actually, that's like 3 of them over there. Oh, here's another. This is a party boat going by. Clearly you can eat dinner on that one. We didn't have time to look around. We were busy way up the mountains today, and when we got down here, didn't have a lot of time. Let's see Buddha. I probably should have flown over to Buddha too while I was flying, but like I say, there were 2 policemen here in the entrance ground. I'll show you where. Right there where that white building is, there's a platform. They were both standing there, and I think I still see them there. So I didn't want to get in trouble.
Morning.
Good morning. So I just snuck off to one of the side bending areas and flew the drone over the trees and was able to get this. Yeah, I figured a little bit of drone shots better than nothing, and I was concerned them coming over and giving me a hard time. So I'm going to walk on over to the memorial over there of the prisoner of war camp, and then I'll pick up again. So this is about 3 kilometers from the bridge, and directly across the street is the cemetery. This is the cemetery that's right across the street from the museum. There's multiple cemeteries. Obviously there were thousands of lives lost. We could not do video inside the museum, pictures only, so I'll try to do the best I can with that. I have many more pictures, but pictures are hard to use in a video like this. It would be best if you went and visited the museum. It's very touching. I'm really surprised that you couldn't do video in there, but it was an awesome place. Heartfelt. It's a must go to if you're ever in the area. If you like this content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel.